In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Word for Mac. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the steps to get Copilot up and running in your Microsoft Word application on your Mac. Copilot is a fantastic tool that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance your writing experience. It can help you brainstorm ideas, format your documents, and even improve your writing style. So, let's get started. First, ensure that your Microsoft Office apps are up to date. Microsoft regularly rolls out updates, and having the latest version of Word is crucial to accessing new features like Copilot. To check for updates, open any Office application, like Word, and go to the menu at the top of the screen. Click on Help and select Check for Updates. If any updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. Once everything is up to date, you're one step closer to enabling Copilot. Now let's talk about enabling Copilot itself. Make sure you have an active Microsoft 365 subscription, as Copilot is tied to this service. If you don't have a subscription yet, you should consider signing up to take full advantage of this innovative tool. With your subscription in place, it's time to open Microsoft Word on your Mac. Once Word is open, look for a new menu icon or a task pane on the right side of your screen. This is where Copilot lives. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, it might be hidden. You can often find it by navigating to the View menu at the top of the window, then selecting Task Pane. Make sure to select Copilot from the options available. When you access Copilot for the first time, you may be prompted to go through a tutorial or introductory guide. I highly recommend taking a moment to familiarize yourself with its features. The tutorial typically highlights how you can ask questions related to your document, request writing suggestions, and even gather insights based on your content. At this point, you should also see a prompt that allows you to type in a request. This is where the magic happens. You can start typing questions or commands such as, "Help me draft a cover letter," or "Can you summarize this document?" It's pretty straightforward. Just type what you need and Copilot will do its best to assist you. Don't hesitate to explore. The more you interact with Copilot, the better you'll understand what it can do. For instance, if you're stuck brainstorming ideas for a project or need to come up with bullet points, simply ask Copilot for suggestions. You'll be amazed at how quickly it generates helpful content. If, for some reason, you find that Copilot is not functioning as expected, there are a few things you can try. First, check your internet connection, as Copilot relies on cloud services to operate efficiently. If your connection is stable and it's still not working, try restarting Word or even your Mac. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix unexpected glitches in software applications. After you've spent some time using Copilot, I encourage you to share your experiences. There are often communities or forums online where users share tips, success stories, and troubleshooting advice, which can be incredibly beneficial. In conclusion, enabling Copilot in Word for Mac is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your writing process. Remember to keep your software updated, explore the features, and don't hesitate to ask Copilot for assistance. It's here to help make your writing tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial on enabling Copilot in Word for Mac helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and happy writing!